They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and when it comes to weight loss, that couldn't be more true. But not just any breakfast will do. If you start your day with sugary cereals or carb-heavy pastries, you're setting yourself up for cravings, crashes, and slow progress. The secret to a powerful, fat-burning morning is protein. Protein keeps you fuller longer, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and helps preserve lean muscle as you shed pounds. Today, we're diving into 6 delicious, high-protein breakfast ideas that can boost your metabolism, crush your hunger, and set you up for all-day success. Stay tuned, because these meals aren't just healthy. They're easy, satisfying, and absolutely delicious. First up, let's talk about the classic egg-based breakfast. Eggs are one of the best, most versatile sources of high-quality protein you can find. Scrambled, poached, boiled, or in an omelet packed with veggies, eggs provide not only protein but also essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which support metabolism and brain health. Pair them with a little avocado or a handful of spinach, and you've got a powerhouse meal that will keep you energized for hours without weighing you down. Plus, eggs are quick to prepare, making them a perfect go-to for busy mornings. Another fantastic option is Greek yogurt with a protein boost. Greek yogurt is naturally rich in protein, but you can amplify its benefits by adding a scoop of your favorite clean protein powder or tossing in some nuts and seeds. Top it with a few berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants, and you have a creamy, filling breakfast that feels like a treat but fuels you like a champion. Just make sure to choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid hidden sugars that can sabotage your weight loss goals. Next, if you're in the mood for something hearty and warm, a high-protein oatmeal bowl might be just what you need. Traditional oatmeal is mostly carbs, but you can easily transform it into a protein-packed meal by stirring in some protein powder, cottage cheese, or even a few egg whites as it cooks. Add cinnamon, a sprinkle of nuts, or a spoonful of nut butter for extra flavor and healthy fats. This version of oatmeal will give you slow-releasing energy and keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long, helping you resist the urge for mid-morning snacking. If you prefer a lighter, fresher option, a protein smoothie can be a total game-changer. Blending a scoop of protein powder with almond milk, spinach, frozen berries, and a spoonful of peanut butter can create a delicious, nutrient-packed drink that's easy to take on the go. The beauty of smoothies is how customizable they are. You can change up the flavors, sneak in extra veggies, or adjust the calorie content depending on your goals. A well-balanced smoothie hits that perfect combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making it a smart choice for weight loss and busy mornings alike. Another incredible idea is cottage cheese with toppings. Cottage cheese is often underrated, but it's packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you feeling full. It's also incredibly versatile. You can go savory with sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of black pepper, or sweet with berries, a drizzle of honey, and chia seeds. It's a perfect grab-and-go meal that requires zero cooking, making it a lifesaver when you're short on time but still want to prioritize your nutrition. Finally, let's not forget about protein-packed breakfast wraps. Using a high-fiber, low-carb tortilla, you can wrap up scrambled eggs, lean turkey bacon, avocado, spinach, and a sprinkle of cheese for a mouth-watering breakfast that feels like a treat. These wraps are portable, customizable, and incredibly satisfying. You can even prep a few in advance and freeze them for a quick grab-and-go breakfast on busy mornings. They're perfect for keeping your hunger in check while fueling your body with high-quality protein and nutrients. Starting your day with a high-protein breakfast sets a powerful tone for the rest of your day. It stabilizes your blood sugar, controls hunger hormones, and helps maintain muscle mass, which is crucial for effective and sustainable weight loss. Plus, these meals aren't just good for you. They're genuinely enjoyable and easy to fit into any lifestyle. Weight loss doesn't have to mean feeling deprived or eating bland food. With just a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy breakfasts that are delicious, nourishing, and supportive of your goals. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical health and nutrition tips. Your journey to better health starts one meal at a time, and it's a journey you truly deserve. See you in the next video.